The Richest Man in Babylon is a self-help financial book written by George S. Clason and first published in 1926. Despite its age, its timeless principles on money management and personal prosperity remain relevant today. The book is presented in the form of parables set in the ancient city of Babylon, following the financial advice given by Arkad, the richest man in the city, through his experiences and lessons learned. Key themes include the importance of saving, investing wisely, avoiding excessive debt, and seeking financial knowledge. The simple narrative and practical lessons make The Richest Man in Babylon accessible to readers of all ages and levels of financial experience. It is known for its clear and straightforward approach to basic financial principles that can help people achieve prosperity and financial security over time. Unlocking financial secrets from The Richest Man in Babylon? Unearth financial wisdom from ancient times with George S. Clason's The Richest Man in Babylon, a timeless tome of personal prosperity and money management. Clason's book, first published in 1926, retains its relevance today. Its principles, though ancient, echo in our modern financial world. The book presents its wisdom through parables based in the opulent city of Babylon, making complex concepts accessible and engaging for all readers. Within these tales, discover tried and true methods for wealth accumulation. Learn to pay yourself first, control expenditures, and make your gold multiply. Witness the power of wise investments and financial planning. Explore the art of securing a future income and see how insurance can protect wealth. Embark on a journey to financial freedom with The Richest Man in Babylon. Transform your financial health and unlock the secrets to lasting wealth.